Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by collecting the essentials: device model, carrier, and recent spam call details so you know what to block. Once done, enable Do Not Disturb or a focused profile to stop interruptions while you work. Next, open your phone's native call settings and the carrier's spam tools. Make sure you have an App Store account ready if you need a third-party blocker. These first steps get you into a position to take direct action immediately without guesswork. You now build layered defenses, activate carrier-level filtering, and confirm it's set to auto-block known spam. Then install a well-reviewed call blocking app and grant it call log access so it can identify patterns. Make sure to enable community report blocking and regular updates. Next, add custom rules: block number prefixes, international ranges, or repeating short numbers. Once configured, route unknown callers to voicemail and tag persistent numbers for permanent block. This reduces both volume and risk. You finish by reporting repeat offenders to your carrier and the national regulator so they can investigate. This complements blocking. Make sure to review app permissions and update block lists weekly, and if something fails, reset network settings or reinstall the blocking app. If spam continues, consider changing your number or asking your carrier for a new SIM with enhanced filtering. One troubleshooting tip: if legitimate calls are blocked, temporarily disable filters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.